Just about didn't see it there. Fire hose. Yeah, I don't think I need it. Okay, I think this area is fairly clear of mines. Let's go ahead and make our way up the steps. So there he is. Arkansas. Ooh. Sniper rifle. We will take all of that. And we got a bunch of ammo boxes here. Oh, are you kidding me? Well, what about this? There we go. Oh, got the 44 rounds. How many of those did I actually get? 6 44 rounds. Not much, but it's a good start. Gotta start somewhere, I guess. Okay, got some 308s. Some more 308s. Okay, so here it is again. This is called the Weapon Mod Kit Scope. So we'll go ahead and take that. And again, these items are part of a mod that you can get from the Nexus. And then you get the information for these in your data selection under Notes. Or at least you should. Or wait a minute, maybe that's just Weapon Mod Kit Summary. So basically what this is telling me is I now have the kit so I can craft scopes for my guns. And I forget what the other mod kit was labeled. I think it was extra ammunition. So basically what you do is, to find out which guns will use the scopes, you go into your data, notes, and you'll see this weapon mod kit selection. You just click on it, and in the information you can scroll down. So for scopes, I can make a scope for the 44 revolver. I can make a scope for the 10mm submachine gun. I can make a scope for the assault rifle, for the Chinese assault rifle. Oh, the hunting rifle would be good for a scope. I really like my hunting rifle. Here's the other one I was mentioning, King, the lever rifle. This lever rifle also takes 44s, so I have both it and the 44 revolver. And the lever